I have an electric Kenmore oven that has been turning off randomly. The digital clock and the indicator lights on the range even go blank. It usually happens after the oven is preheated while baking. Then after a few minutes it beeps and the clock starts blinking. At that point I can turn it back on, but it usually happens again before I am finished baking. Do you know what could be causing this? This oven is only 4 to 5 years old.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. There are only two things that would cut out the display board. Either the display board itself is overheating from the heat, which it shouldn't do unless it's beginning to fail, or power is being cut out from the oven at your power source for some reason. The next time it happens, turn the cooktop burner on and see if the cooktop still works. If it still works, then your oven is getting proper power and your display board would just need to be replaced. If the cooktop won't work, then you'll need to check the power cord and make sure everything is tight. Below is a link to the control board if you need it. Click here for control board. When the display turns off, so does the cooktop. Tonight I had on the range and the oven and it shut off. Then the temperature display, which is also the clock display, just started flashing random numbers very quickly. I couldn't actually read any numbers except a 6. Only the display board could cause that random flashing. It shouldn't affect the cooktop normally, but when control boards fail, they can fail in very odd ways, so if you wanted you could check power at the power cord to make sure you're getting 220 volts when it's acting up, and if so, replace the control board.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.